Namaste, Seekers of Light. Welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your daily dose of cosmic code and spiritual signals. Today is Thursday, 29th May 2025, and trust me, the universe is talking. Are you ready to listen? On this day in 1953, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary became the first humans to summit Mount Everest. A perfect reminder that even the biggest obstacles can be conquered, one mindful step at a time. Jupiter is glowing in Taurus, fueling long-term gains. Moon aligns with Mercury. Expect flashes of genius, but beware overthinking. Venus in Cancer brings tenderness. Emotions will speak louder than logic today. Top 3 Rashi vibes. Taurus, gains in wealth or respect. Trust your decisions. Cancer, heart matters dominate. Be kind but not naive. Sagittarius, big ideas need small action steps. Start now. Today vibrates to number 7, the Seeker's number. Don't rush. Inner clarity will win over external noise. Lucky colors blue and white. Power time 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, repeat 9 times. Much of India is heating up. Delhi, Rajasthan, UP may touch 45 degrees Celsius. Expect sudden gusts and minor storm patterns in East India. Be hydrated and stay shaded. Energetically, it's a fire element day. Purify by water, cool your emotions. Aries, new opportunity, ego clashes over confidence. Taurus, property or asset discussions, back pain, stubborn behavior. Gemini, creative spark, money leaks, forgetting deadlines. Cancer, romantic energy, emotional roller coaster, people pleasing. Leo, public attention, misjudged communication, unverified gossip. Virgo, work clarity, petty arguments, overanalyzing. Libra, lucky meetings, restless mind, procrastination. Scorpio, secret allies, trust issues, being reactive. Sagittarius, leadership moments, power stress, rushing without prep. Capricorn, finances stabilize, coldness in relationships, too much work. Aquarius, social wins, overexposure on socials, not sleeping enough. Pisces, spiritual alignment, laziness, daydreaming instead of doing. Charming communicators with a deep sense of intuition, that's you. This year, your strength lies in adaptability and emotional intelligence. Today's prediction. You may receive a call or message that alters your next 30 days. Do's. Journal your feelings. Wear something blue. Don'ts. Gossip or overshare. Eat late at night. Pause. Reset. Don't compete with others. Compete with yesterday's version of you. The universe doesn't rush, yet everything gets done. Why should you? Do deep breathing, short gratitude journaling. Don't commit to big decisions blindly. Be careful of tech errors and messages sent in emotion. This was your Cosmic Bite for 29th May 2025. If this resonated, like, share and tell one friend who needs AI Baba today. Until tomorrow, keep your karma clean and your data encrypted.